So we got this situation where we have to understand what is pole and what is polar. Okay, so try to understand this part. Well, like what is this pole, what is this polar? Okay, like look at this situation. So suppose that you will assume a point in, on, out, it can be anywhere on the circle. Okay, so suppose this is the circle and we have a point here. Okay, so from this point you can have infinite number of seconds, है ना? Okay, now what will happen? Now suppose that this is the point of intersection of first secant. So what you have to do, you have to drop down tangent there. Okay, we have to drop down tangent. Okay, suppose that this is the second point and this. So if you will drop down tangent, you will go there. If you drop down tangent, you will go there. Okay, so similarly from this point you have infinite number of secants. So if you will try to draw tangent at the end point where that secant is passing through the circle, you will get a straight line. Okay, and this straight line will be unique. Okay, this will pass through the point of intersection of tangents from those secants. Okay, so this point is known as pole and this line is called as polar. Okay, polar of a point P. Suppose it is point P. So point P will be pole and this line will be polar. Okay, polar of point. So how we will get this equation? You will get this equation by substituting t equals to 0. So transformation equals to 0. I hope you got the idea about what is pole and polar. Okay, so I'll write down something. So from point P, draw multiple chords. Okay, then draw tangents from end point, okay, of chords. Okay, the straight line so obtained is called polar of point P. Okay, so how we will get that equation? It is t equals to 0. Okay, so what will happen, like suppose this scenario, you got a point and they are asking you to find out polar. So what you will do, you will write t equals to 0. Now look at this scenario. Suppose they have provided you what is polar and now they are asking you to find pole. Okay, so polar is given. Now find pole. Okay, so how we will manage this situation? So what you will do, assume pole as h comma k. Okay, this is your first statement. Now find polar, find your polar, and now compare with their polar. Okay, So you know that your point is h comma k, so you will calculate and you will find value of h comma k. I hope the idea is clear.